This is Space 5 Podcast, your weekly dose of mind-blowing space facts. Proxima Centauri b is the closest exoplanet to us, only 4.2 light-years away. That's about 40 trillion kilometers or 25 trillion miles. To put that in perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you only 4.2 years to get there. But if you were to travel on a spaceship at the fastest speed ever achieved by humans, it would take you more than 50,000 years. That's how vast the distances in space are. Proxima Centauri b orbits the star. Proxima Centauri, which is the smallest and dimmest member of the Alpha Centauri system. Alpha Centauri is actually a triple star system, consisting of two sun-like stars, Alpha Centauri A and B, and a red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is so faint that it is invisible to the naked eye, even though it is the closest star to us. Proxima Centauri b is a super-Earth, meaning that it is larger and more massive than Earth, but smaller and less massive than the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. It has a mass of at least 1.07 times that of Earth, and a radius of about 1.03 times that of Earth, according to estimates. It orbits its star at a distance of only 7.5 million kilometers, or 4.6 million miles, which is about 20 times closer than Earth is to the Sun. Because of this, it completes one orbit around its star in only 11.2 days compared to 365 days for Earth. Now, you might think that because Proxima Centauri b is so close to its star, it must be very hot and inhospitable. But actually, Proxima Centauri b is located in the habitable zone of its star, meaning that it receives the right amount of energy from its star to potentially have liquid water on its surface. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it, so this makes Proxima Centauri b a very intriguing candidate for hosting life. But before you get too excited, there are many challenges and uncertainties for the habitability of Proxima Centauri b. First of all, we don't know if it has an atmosphere, and if it does, what kind of atmosphere it has. An atmosphere is crucial for regulating the temperature and protecting the surface from harmful radiation. Proxima Centauri b is exposed to a lot of radiation from its star, which is a flare star. This means that it frequently erupts with powerful flares that can emit 10,000 times more energy than the Sun. These flares can strip away the atmosphere of Proxima Centauri b or make it very thin and unstable. Another challenge for the habitability of Proxima Centauri b is the tidal locking of its rotation. Tidal locking is when one side of a planet always faces its star and the other side always faces away. This happens because the gravitational pull of the star slows down the rotation of the planet until it matches its orbital period. This means that Proxima Centauri b has a permanent day side and a permanent night side. The day side would be very hot, and the night side would be very cold, creating extreme temperature differences and weather patterns. The only place where the temperature might be moderate and stable is the narrow strip of land between the day and night sides, called the terminator. So, as you can see, Proxima Centauri b is a very fascinating and mysterious exoplanet. It is the closest exoplanet to us, and it could potentially have liquid water on its surface, making it a possible home for life. But it also faces many challenges and uncertainties for its habitability, such as the intense radiation from its star, the tidal locking of its rotation, and the lack of an atmosphere. We still have a lot to learn about this exoplanet, and hopefully, future missions and observations will reveal more of its secrets. Thank you for joining us on this space adventure. There's a universe of exploration ahead. Stay tuned and subscribe for new episodes featuring Space 5 Podcast.